Experiencing issues with SMS or MMS on your Metro by T-Mobile phone? Start with the basics. First, ensure you have a stable cellular signal. Then power cycle your device. For MMS problems, verify your APN settings. They should be set to fast.tmobile.com. Outdated software or incorrect settings often cause these problems. If issues persist, contact Metro support or visit a store. Simple fixes can resolve most common text-related problems. iMessage problems on Metro by T-Mobile are common, especially on iPhones. Often, iMessage fails to activate correctly. The quick solution is to deregister iMessage by toggling it off in Settings, Messages, then toggling it back on. If this doesn't work, reset your network settings in Settings, General, Reset. Since Metro is a prepaid brand, iMessage sometimes has activation issues. Consider using SMS for reliable texting or explore RCS messaging via Google Messages as an alternative.